Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Statistical normality conditions are essential for your z-test accuracy, so let us break down this problem quickly to find the correct answer among these 5 options. For a one-sample z-test of a proportion, the sampling distribution is approximately normal if the expected number of successes and failures are both at least 10. You got this, team! We use the null hypothesis proportion 0.32 and the sample size of 50 to calculate the expected counts. This is the critical step for our statistical validity. Since both 16 and 34 are at least 10, option D correctly identifies the requirement for the sampling distribution to be approximately normal. That makes option D our winner. Smart move. Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Never confuse observed counts with expected values. Always check both for your normality condition requirements.